This is Kathy from Gadgets Top 321, and in today's video I have some pen mail from Anderson Pens. And it's not ink. I've been ordering a lot of ink here lately. I watched the Anderson Pens podcast last week, and Brian said that they had some experienced pens available. They had been store testers, and it was one of the pens that I have wanted for a long time. It's a Pilot pen that back when I first got into fountain pens, I really wanted one of these, but it was a little out of my price range at the time. And then when it got to the point that it was in my price range, I think Pilot stopped making them. So, and I've kept my eye out. From time to time I've found some available on eBay. But, things had come up. Either it wasn't the color I wanted or the nib size. It's a medium nib. I've been wanting a medium Pilot gold nib for a while now. And this was the color that I wanted. And it turns out they had one in the color that I wanted. And it's not even experienced. It's new old stock. So even better. Alright, one of my favorite style of Pilot pens is the Prera. And this is the size of a Prera, but it's a gold nib metal pen. It's the Stargazer. Oh, I like the weight of it. Oh, wow. It's not heavy, but look, it's the size of a Prera, but it's a more premium style of pen. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's got that nice snap to it like the Prera. It posts nicely. Now, I thought it might have just the little subtle click like the Custom 74 does, but it doesn't. But I don't think you have to press very hard, and yeah, it's on. You don't really have to press. And it's a little bit, this is a plastic section, so it's a little bit weighted toward the back because it's got this metal cap. But with it being a short pen, the balance is nice. It just hits right there, right in the crook of your hand. I like that. And I'm looking forward to doing a comparison video because I thought this might be the same nib that's on the Custom 74, but I'm not sure. I think this is a number 3 size nib, and I'm pretty sure that my Custom 74 is a number 5 size nib. I thought that these nibs might be interchangeable, but then when I saw that they're different size nibs, I don't think so. I am going to do just a quick little, dip test. Let me see if this comes with a converter. Yeah, and it's not, I think it's the same size converter. This is a Con 40, and maybe this is the Con 50, or vice versa. Since this is technically an older pen, it's got this older converter in it. It's, instead of having the little ball bearings, it's got a weird little agitator there. That's interesting. I'll have to do some research on this because it looks like the interesting agitator. But I'm just going to do a little dip test with Sukiyo. Let me see if you can see, it's got like a pearly shimmer to it. Pearly shine. All right, and I bought this. One of the reasons I was so excited about getting a medium nib this soon is I've got my new Colorverse, my new big bottle of Colorverse Dark Energy, and I think when I do my comparison video, that's the ink I will use. Let me zoom in just a little bit here. Okay. And I'm just going to dip it. Maybe. This came in the mail early today, but my oldest daughter came home and we were celebrating my youngest daughter's birthday, so I didn't get to open it until just now. Okay. Let me wipe the nib off a little bit. All right, and let's see if I can do this without getting my head in the camera. Ooh. This is nice. Like my Custom 74 fine nib, this is a decently wet writer. I like this. Oh, and wow, I am going to like this. I asked my husband if this could be my Christmas present. He said sure. And so when I told him it was coming in this week, I said, hey, can I unbox this on camera and then give it to you and you can put it away for my Christmas gift? And he said no, and just kind of left it at that. And I thought, oh, he's joking. Well, when I told him last night that it was probably coming in today, I said, hey, can I unbox it on camera and then give it to you? And he said, yes, of course. And I was kind of waiting for him to say, oh, you don't have to give it back. But he never did. So I'm kind of hoping that when I clean it up and give it back to him, box it up, give it back to him, or give it to him this evening, maybe he'll say, oh, you don't have to give it back. I'm not sure. Let me see. This, yeah, on the blue one, the ends are black to match the black grip section. Oh, I can't wait to do a comparison video of this and do a full review of it. I just can't wait to write with it when I get off camera. I'm going to play with it a little bit before I clean it out. And then I'll do a comparison video of it. I don't know, maybe at Christmas. We will see. Alright. If you found this video interesting, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.